Good morning. Hey, you guys. The sheets are so dry. Um, Technically, I started this video yesterday night, but I didn't feel like I was being authentic in that video. The vibes just weren't it. So we're starting over today. So technically, I was supposed to go to the gym this morning, but I woke up late. I woke up at 9. I was supposed to wake up at 7 so I could get dressed and go to the gym and come back home and then take a shower and then get dressed again. But I decided, I woke up at 9:30. I was about to go take a shower, but then I decided to just like have a whole day, actually take it step by step into this new semester, even though it already started 2 weeks ago. But I just started yesterday, and I didn't want to rush myself. So the first thing is I have class at 1. It is 11:40, which means I have basically an hour to get dressed. I do not know where this vlog is going. Um, but you guys are just gonna be with me. Um, I really, really do hate vlogging because I feel like I always end up talking too much, way more than I need to be talking. But, it's either that or I just do a really freaking sit down video and I just talk for a really long time. I had a skincare routine, but I don't know. I kind of misplaced most of the stuff. So I'm just going to go back to my roots and just use alcohol on my face. You guys are going to help me pick an outfit, but I already kind of know what I want to wear. Really basic, really simple. I want to wear red. Red used to be my favorite color, but this past, this past, this New Year's, I've been wearing a lot of green, which I don't hate because my mom said I used to be obsessed with green when I was younger, but I I used to always tell her, nah, I'm not obsessed with green. I do not like green. But lately, I have been obsessed with green. Anyways, we're gonna lotion my body now with this whipped. Well, it's not whipped. It's just shea butter, but my mom had whipped it with coconut oil. So yeah, I'm gonna lotion my body and we're gonna get dressed. Yeah. I really don't have much. Okay, I'm gonna say what I said yesterday in the other part that I'm not gonna put in this video because I said it yesterday and I don't like that video at all. Yesterday I had called the VA office and they were like, "Oh, you didn't finish training, so we can't give you the money for school." How did I not finish training if I'm calling you about school? Would they give me my phone to call you and start talking about school stuff if I was still in training? Like, how does that make sense to you? Like, be for real right now. And then she was like, oh, just talk to your commander or your cat or your sergeant. They could probably help you. And I'm like, what are they gonna do? And then that's when she decided she was gonna tell me, like, oh, just put your D214 on there, and then we'll review it over again. And I mean, it didn't take long the first time, but it's still the fact that I still have to wait 30 days before they can, like, send me the paper. And it's so crazy that I can't. But they're still gonna give me my money. That's all I know. Like, I'm really calm right now because of this, but I was really mad about this yesterday. I was really upset. Because what do you mean I'm still in training? Like, how am I still in training? My pay does not show I'm still in training, so why does it not show in your records that I'm not in training? Like, make that make sense. Anyways, I'm gonna catch you guys when I'm dressed. Okay, I'm back. Oh my gosh, this shit is so dirty. Yeah, I've been thinking, like, a lot of Muslim, creators, when they make content, they, like, make it about the religion. And it's not that I don't, like, I literally love my religion, and I would not choose any other religion over this religion. But at the same time, I feel like when I was younger and I was growing up, like, there's, I didn't see, like, a lot of people that, bro, why is it still so dirty? Hold on. That looked like me, that was just, like, regular, like, what do I mean by regular? Like, they in a religion, and also, like, oh my gosh, this shit is so dirty. It's so blurry for no reason. It's, like, oily. And I have to go really, but, like I was saying, I didn't know, like, I didn't see, like, a lot of creators that looked like me, that was part of the religion, but also just, like, I guess, like, the religion is, like, a whole lifestyle. I know it's, like, a whole lifestyle, and it's, like, part of your life and whatnot, and everything. But I guess it's just me struggling with the fact that, I gotta let some things go for, like, because Allah doesn't want to. I literally have to leave the house in, like, 40 minutes so I'm not late for class. In, like, 30 minutes so I'm not late for class. And I really feel like getting this off my chest. What I was trying to say is, in the video that literally cut me off, that I know it probably freaking deleted, was that when I was younger, I did not see nobody like that looked like me doing YouTube videos. That was just like regular YouTube videos. That was just like they just talking about like stuff like regular that's going on in their lives, or just showing us their day-to-day lives. And I don't mind doing that. Like, I could show you guys my life, but like, I don't like recording stuff like that to some extent. Like, I could record like me doing vlogs and stuff like that. Like, I could do that, but to some extent, like I can only show you to some extent because I'm a hijabi, and but that's the kind of content creator I want to be, because I'm still figuring stuff out, and I want to figure stuff out with you guys. But it's like I can't be like fully like transparent. Like, it's not like fully transparent, but like fully like myself. I feel like, and it's not the fact that I can't be like comfortable in front of the camera. Like, I'm completely comfortable in front of the camera. It's just like there's still like some kind of barrier that I just like can't get over. Maybe it's just in my head, but it's also like I feel um like there's just some things that I can't talk about, or like I feel like I can't like be like open about because of my religion. But I don't know, because I don't know everything. And yeah. But let's do a little fit check. A basic fit check. It's a basic little outfit. What is that? Oh, those are my shoes. I just have this pop of brown because it's gonna be cold, and I'm still gonna be wearing my freaking Ooh, should I change it up and wear a different jacket, or should I just stick with the theme? I feel like I should just stick with the theme and just wear a black jacket and just like keep it cute and clean. But y'all, I am obsessed with these Uggs. Literally, I'm so obsessed with these Uggs. I would do a room tour, but not right now. Like I said, I'm kind of running late. But this is the fit. Oh my goodness. You guys are in the cabinet right now because this thing would not stay for shit. But I made in just a little bit of chicken because that's the only thing I have. That was already cooked. I feel like this storage thing is trying to tell me not to record and do YouTuber, but I honestly I don't care anymore. I want to record. I'm gonna record. Okay, I'm not full, but I'm just gonna go to class, and then I'm probably just gonna go to Chipotle and get me something to eat, and that's just gonna be my lunch and dinner. This is my vitamins. My mom forced me. Well, she didn't really force me, but she said I need to start taking it because I always say I'm cold all the time, so I probably have iron deficiency. And there's other reasons why she said that, but that's the main reason. but I hate taking medicine. I always forget. Yeah. Like, I deleted TikTok. That's the only thing that takes up space mostly on my phone. And the fact that it's still telling me I have no storage, I don't care. At this point, I'm gonna do what I want to do. And that's all that matters to me right now. I'm gonna record and make videos because that's what I wanna do. But I need to get to class. I can't be late. I'm gonna see you guys later. Y'all, I'm freaking late. And it's hot. I did not need to wear this puffer jacket. I could have worn a smaller jacket. Hey guys, I got some Chipotle. But I'm literally, I wouldn't say I'm super hungry, but class ends at 7. And I know I'm not going to want to eat nothing. I mean, cook nothing. And I have to walk all the way back. I'm gonna be tired as hell. We're outside. It's actually nice out here. Yeah, I'm gonna check if the IHOP was hiring. They had a sign, but I don't know. Okay, I don't know if I have any storage, but this table is really dirty. Okay, I got some Chipotle. I'm about to eat some, and then we're gonna try and do some work. Cause it's not till 7, I think. Wait, no, 4:30, and it goes to 7. Hopefully not, but that's what it says. And hopefully it's not canceled because I'm already over here. What time even is it? Give me a second. It's 3:30. This is at 4:30. It's kind of okay out here, but still a little bit chilly. I got a little bag of chips. And my Chipotle, bro. Which I'm definitely not going to finish right now. Because I'm literally not that hungry. But I know I need to eat. Y'all look. My boat is full to the max. Oh. I can't. I'm not one of those people that eat Chipotle all the time. I can't do it.
No, because we were sitting there. We were like, Tiffany, what the hell you saying? She was saying, you can't say that.
Cause it's never like spicy enough for me. Like I gotta put spice in it. But it's kind of spicy right now. I don't know. Mm. Okay. This shit messy as hell. Mm. Yeah, I gotta do my work, bro. Yo, this shit keep cutting out when I keep recording, but I gotta actually do my work. But class is in like 45 minutes, so yeah. And I got food all over my jacket. Alright, you guys, we're gonna go find my class and then read the book. We're gonna read the book because I gotta read the book by tomorrow, and I just found it online for free. And you expect me to pay? No, thank you. So let's go find my class. I don't even know what number it is. It's kind of cold over here because there's no sun. But I really found this book online. We have to read this book to chapter 2. And we have a test on it tomorrow. But we also have a summary type project. Well, not me, another group of people. But that's what we had to do. So yeah. There's so many doors. It's so quiet. Oh, I could print. Well, I could just print in the library because it's free in the library. Now I gotta find my class. Let me see y'all later. This bathroom is dirty. There's people here in the sink. It's just... What the hell y'all be doing in here? Anyways, I'm gonna reuse the bathroom and I'm gonna go for my class. But y'all, even though this bathroom is dirty, it has a little thingy. Even though this is right there. But it has a little thingy so you can't see through. That's good. The class finished early, so I'm going home. I just got back home. I don't really think I like that class because there's not a lot of people in there. So, if he asks questions, I also have to answer, but I still didn't answer because I did not know what he was saying, bro. I was just like looking, like I was just so lost in that class. But now, I'm gonna change it to my nightwear. I'm gonna do a little bit of homework and some stuff that I need to do. And then I'm gonna eat my Chipotle and watch some YouTube and go to bed. That's the plan for tonight. First, let me change first and wash my hands because I just came back from outside. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. Right now you guys are set up on my desk by my books, but I don't have a chair in my room. So I can only sit on the bed to eat or on the floor. And I'd rather just sit on the bed. But they should deliver my chair this weekend. I feel like I talk really, really slow. Like some people might be like, oh my gosh, you talk really slow. But sometimes I talk really fast. But most of the time I talk really slow so I like understand what I'm saying, because sometimes I just talk to talk, and if I'm talking really slow, I'm trying to make sure that I'm not like confusing what I'm saying and you understand what I'm saying. It's okay. I'm trying to just make this really quick. And then for the video, I always forget to make the ending. I basically told you what I was gonna do for the rest of the night, but like I said, my phone kept acting up and saying I don't have any storage, so I couldn't get a lot of content for you guys. But this is the end of the video. This is like 2 days later. I was gonna record today. I was gonna be like spend a day in with me, but no, I didn't do that. I wanted to be alone. So I was just alone today. But maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. Today's Saturday and I made that video on Thursday. So it's been a couple days. It's been a couple days. So yeah. It was originally supposed to be spend the whole weekend with me. But like I said, my phone was acting up, so I just kind of quit after the first day. And I did record Friday and today, so it wouldn't really like be spend the weekend with me. So yeah. Yeah, so this is the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I'm always willing to answer questions, and if you and yeah, this is the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And my Instagram is the same as my YouTube. My TikTok is the same as my YouTube. My Pinterest is the same as my YouTube. And I don't really post on my Pinterest, but you can go follow me on there. I usually follow people back if your page do not look sketchy. But if your page looks sketchy, then I probably would not follow you back. But yeah. Bye. See you in the next one.